Happy Sunday, guys. This is LP with S&W Service and Repair, headed out to Denison, Texas. I have a Frigidaire double wall oven that is going crazy. Checked all of the tech notes and whatnot and pulled it up on my Appliance Blue Book, and the number one issue with those is the control board. They've been dealing with it for about 2 years now. They had another company that came out there, couldn't get it done. She called, well, I called her. Actually, I've been following Ms. Ward's blueprint. I shoot them all a text, and a simple text at that. I tell them that this is S&W Service and Repair, and we're calling about the work order with whatever warranty company that sends it out. And we need to get a little more information from you. We need the model number. We need a photo of the model number, and we state what the problem was that was on the original work order, ask them if that's correct, and how long the problem has been going on. Also, that photo helps us to determine what tools to bring, especially with the double wall oven.